super quick video, so here it goes. They want to slice the center of the word mom. So type up mom in whatever font you want. I just grabbed the last font that I'd already used because I'm doing this quick. Insert the square, unlock it. Come on, Design Space, work with me. It's always when you need to work quick, Design Space doesn't. Okay, make a rectangle that's long and skinny. Place it over the mom. Make it longer because I didn't make it long enough. Now I select both of those and hit slice. And it's thinking and do its thing. And now I want to move the mom over here and get rid of this stuff. And now I slice the mom out. You don't have to do it as deep as I did. I just, again, doing this super quick. And now you can put the kids' names in there.